YouTube, welcome to another video by the Geo Scholar. This video is going to be sports related. In particular, it's going to discuss baseball. In many things about baseball, geography plays a major part in it. In particular, there is one team I want to discuss, the Seattle Mariners. Got the hat. There is one thing to understand about the Seattle Mariners. In order to understand this, you need to understand the city of Seattle. You're talking about a West Coast city that happens to be the northernmost major city in the United States. Northernmost city of 500,000 or more residents. What does geography have to do with that, or how does it affect anything? Well, you have to consider this. Seattle is the most remote city in the United States to have a Major League Baseball team, the Seattle Mariners. And it creates a very flighty situation. A flighty situation in which involves over 43,000 flyer miles annually. More than any other Major League Baseball team. And I'm going to put this in map terms. There is Seattle. I'm going to zoom in. The nearest Major League Baseball franchise is right there. The San Francisco, Oakland area. The Giants play there in San Francisco. The Oakland Athletics play there. Going east, that's where the Colorado Rockies play. Arizona Diamondbacks, Minnesota Twins, Milwaukee Brewers, the Chicago Cubs, and the Chicago White Sox. St. Louis Cardinals, Kansas City Royals, the Dodgers and Angels, the San Diego Padres. Then you come over here, Houston Astros, Texas Rangers. Notice I point to Fort Worth because Fort Worth is actually closer to where the Texas Rangers play. They play in Tarrant County in the city of Arlington. As you can see, Seattle is pretty much far away from most other major cities in the United States. And that creates a situation where the Seattle Mariners are going to log in more flight miles than any other team. Compare if you were to come over here to the East Coast, particularly the Boswash corridor, the Red Sox, Mets, Yankees, Phillies, Orioles, Washington Nationals, this whole corridor, not very far to go. Even here in the Atlanta area, you can not that far to go because you go north, Cincinnati Reds, Miami Marlins, Tampa Bay Rays. What does geography have to do with this? When you're covering a lot of flight miles, that can get expensive. You got to think about fuel for the plane. You got to think about how much time is spent traveling, the amount of money it's going to cost to go from place to place. This concludes my segment on baseball and geography. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I plan to come up with more videos regarding baseball and geography. Peace. Hey, get back here. You gotta subscribe.